It looks pretty.
Oh, yes.
I'm boiling the ham now.
We got greens.
Woo.
Get that green.
But look, you gotta get that rice in that steamer. She like that.
Put my macaroni and cheese in.
Ow! See, they talking the gospel up in here today. Your mama got a steamer like that? Yeah, find your granny on. She up at a hunt good.
You
Woo!
gonna get ready to put the macaroni and cheese in?
And
Huh?
She's right here.
Tell him that's Arthur. Tell him I text him back.
she's
Oh,
All right, let me know. Thanks. Okay, bye.
oh,
I want to keep this on stove.
oh,
That warm. What's the matter?
oh. Everybody's up in here.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Oh, shrimp, pigtail, yeah.
Oh. No, see, you don't always, because sometimes you're around people with that you don't always you don't see people get to put their foot in it because they have to keep it simple, with some shrimp, but.
Yeah, and I wanted to move that because it was the bowl was leaking.
My God. Look at that picture.
Oh yeah. Oh, that looks good.
Some of y'all seen them fancy one. All you got up in there was a shrimp. But this right here, I've been hanging around BJ too long. Cause he said, this right here, this, woo, that one make you talk different. Whoa, my goodness. Well, I had on Edisto. They put their foot up in everything. My God. Woo. Yes, sir.